everyone, this is Claire from Pixel, here to talk about the newest lens from Sigma. This is the 12mm f1.4 DC Contemporary. The lens comes in Sony, Fuji, and Canon mount. We have the Sony mount here, which comes at a weight of 7.9 ounces, making it the lightest weight in the DC Contemporary lineup. There are two noticeable changes compared to the 16mm. First, an aperture control ring allows for easy and quick setting changes. Second is the size. The 12mm is shorter in size and wider in angle than the 16mm. This makes it optimal for travel photography and architecture, allowing you to capture full, lush landscapes or city skylines. Another thing this lens is great for is handheld video on the go, like vlogs. The lightweight and compact size make the camera easy to hold and maneuver. The wide angle is great for capturing a multitude of different scenes and make it easy to use in selfie mode. Let's go over some key features. The 12mm lens has high optical performance, thanks to the latest in Sigma's optical design. By optimally arranging three double-sided spherical lenses, Sigma has simultaneously achieved higher performance, smaller size, and wider angle compared to the Sigma 16 f1.4. Even in scenes requiring a wide angle of view and high resolution across the entire frame, such as a starry sky, urban landscapes, and architecture, the lens delivers outstanding performance from its maximum aperture. Let's talk about the reliability of the 12mm, starting with the focus. The combination of a lightweight focus lens and a high-performance stepping motor enables high-speed, high-precision autofocus. This effectively surpasses the aberration fluctuations and focus breathing, delivering performance for both stills and video. Another feature that makes this lens reliable is the dust and splash resistant feature. Now, while it's not waterproof, this allows you to use the lens even in harsh environments, like the mountains or by the lake. So if you're a photographer looking for an ultra wide angle lens with a large aperture, or a vlogger looking for something compact and easy to travel with, check out the Sigma 12mm f1.4 DC Contemporary lens. You can join the pre-order list on thepixelconnection.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.